We have an error 5100 on a Canon MG5320 printer. Error 5100 is a common error on Canon printers. Basically indicates that there's some sort of a problem and something interfering with the carriage, the ink carriage that goes back and forth from left to right on the printer. So I was expecting for that error to come up, since when I printed the nozzle check, it showed me these lines right here. You can see on every color there's skipped vertical lines. Vertical lines are not going to be due to a bad print head. Horizontal lines, like skips we see here, are due to some cloggage in the print head nozzles, but in this case that's not the case. There's definitely something with the timing strip or the positioning strip that goes in every inkjet printer. It's in the back of the carriage unit, and most likely there's something in the way. Either some grease got on that film or some ink got on that film, and we're going to check that in a second. So we'll go ahead and turn off the printer, and then let's lift the cover and look inside. The timing strip is this one right here. It's kind of blended in with the belt, the carriage belt, but this is the strip right here. That's basically the direction for the carriage, where to go and where to print. And if there's something on it, then it's just going to do those lines, or eventually it'll just give you the error code 5100. I had the same issue on a different printer, and I have a video of it. But basically, all of them are going to be the same, all Canon Inkjet printers. In this case, it's a little hard to see, but I was able to spot it. There's something right here on this side. So let's move the carriage since it's all free. And you can see some grease on the belt. So what I usually do is I take the alcohol swab, which is the easiest to clean this stuff. They sell those at Walmart too. A lot of people have them laying around in their house anyway. But it's an easy fix, but you have to be very careful not to rip the timing strip off. So all you do is just wipe it. If it's on this side, it could be also on the other side, and you can see even though there was some grease on it. So I'll just go ahead and clean that strip. If you pull too hard on the strip, it's just gonna get off the hook that's on the end, and then you're gonna have a lot of problem putting it back in. It's a little tough to do so. So just be very careful and don't apply too much pressure when cleaning. So I got my flashlight out just to make sure I have cleaned everything. Just went over the timing strip and it looks all very good and clean. Looked also inside to see if there's anything in the way, any paper pieces or anything, and it's all good. So I think we're all ready to try if we fix the problem. Okay, so now we're going to turn the printer on. The page came out, and error code didn't show up at all. So we can now compare it. You can see that is the same printer, same report, but there's no vertical lines like we had previously on this report here. So this is the previous one. That's what it looks like now, and it's a very good nozzle test. And we don't see an error code, and your printer can continue working for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video. You have a great day.